Well, during the pandemic, emergency room visits for drug overdose increased across the country, including right here in Milwaukee. And as Sarah McGrew reports, county leaders are doing everything that they can to get the word out about available resources.
Officials calling it the twin pandemic, with a big spike in overdoses as our lives were changed by the COVID-19 pandemic.
Unfortunately, isolation and really a lack of other stuff to do has impacted people really all over the community.
You can see overdose deaths have been increasing in the county since 2018, but in 2020 there were 545 overdose deaths. That's a 30% increase from the year before.
The increased stress and isolation and frankly some hopelessness that is, with all the things going on with the pandemic has really created a perfect storm for addiction.
Officials say there has also been an increase in symptoms of anxiety and depression since the beginning of the pandemic, but help is available for those who need it.
For people out there listening who either have a challenge themselves or who have a loved one they're concerned about, the crisis line is a fantastic opportunity to get them immediate help.
The Behavioral Health Division also has several community access clinics and has opportunities for people to access free Narcan, a life-saving treatment for people who overdose. They're also working to expand safe and sober housing options. Friends and family can also help and maybe even connect loved ones with life-saving services.
The big piece is just ask people or notice if someone is exhibiting a change in behavior or, the warning signs are there.
Ultimately,
the goal is to keep people alive so that they can eventually engage in treatment and get better and get on the road to recovery.
Reporting in Milwaukee, Sarah McGrew, TMJ4 News.